Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Navigating the world of short-term loans can be tricky. Understanding the terms, conditions, and potential implications is crucial before making any decisions. While we aren't affiliated with any specific lending platform, we recognize that resources like MyPaydayLoan.com exist as a starting point for individuals exploring these options. It's important to remember that borrowing money, especially through payday loans, comes with significant responsibilities. Interest rates can be high, and repayment schedules are often tight, so carefully consider your financial situation before proceeding. Thorough research and comparison shopping are essential. Explore various lenders, compare interest rates, fees, and repayment terms before committing to any loan agreement. Look for reputable lenders with transparent practices. Be wary of hidden fees or excessively complex terms. A clear understanding of the loan agreement is paramount to avoid unexpected costs or difficulties down the line. Budgeting and financial planning are invaluable when considering a short-term loan. Evaluate your current income and expenses to determine if you can realistically afford the repayments without jeopardizing your financial stability. Late or missed payments can severely damage your credit score and lead to further financial strain. Remember, short-term loans should be viewed as a last resort, not a long-term financial solution. If you're struggling financially, explore alternative options such as budgeting assistance, credit counseling, or negotiating with existing creditors. These resources can provide valuable guidance and support in navigating challenging financial times. Responsible borrowing and careful consideration are key to making informed decisions about short-term loans. Be sure to thoroughly research and understand the implications before taking on any financial obligations. Finally, remember that personal financial situations vary greatly. What might work for one individual may not be suitable for another. Always seek professional financial advice tailored to your specific circumstances before making any significant financial decisions.